So let's talk about the new age of retail here. We now have over 100 million products in the marketplace, and each one's looking for its own customer base. So there's a lot of noise in the marketplace. But I'm talking about the age of hyper-individuality because we now believe there's a product out there to solve any problem, need, or desire that we might have. The categories that we used to use in order to organize marketplaces, we were painting with far too broad of brushstrokes. We need to fine-tune those. They need to be much more granular. With the explosion of data that we're receiving now from the cell phone world, from the internet world, from credit card world, the people that can make sense of all that are redefining the world around us. And here's the key thing. Every personality trait that can be sorted mathematically defines the basis for a new market. Last year I gave a talk to the people at Frito-Lay, and we were talking about this whole idea of hyper-individuality because when you go into a grocery store, you have your choice of 47 different kinds of chips to pick from. And I suggested that they could do away with that much shelf space and go with one machine designed for the hyper-individualized customer. And so I cobbled up this piece of artwork here. And in the top, you start with hoppers of either chips or crackers or pretzels or nuts. And you can decide on what your combination of those would be. They go into a blender and you can mix in whatever spices and seasonings you want. And then it comes down in the bottom and it would bag it for you individually and print your name on that bag. Now, how cool is that?